Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Everything in my mind tastes better when it's homemade. That's why I decided to look into this French fry cutter from Pop Fry. It is so easy to use and it will make the most delicious fries and cut up vegetables that you've ever had. This is a completely handheld unit and hand operated. All you have to do is wash your potatoes, cut them in half so that you have a flat part hanging at the end, and then press the potato right through. The bottom of the unit has some really a grippy area with rubber, so even when you're pushing that French fry through, if you get a little bit more difficult piece, that machine stays really well planted onto your countertop, so you don't have to worry that it's going to slip away from you. I decided to try it with some smaller size potatoes and then bigger size, and I can definitely say that it really, although it relies on your manpower, it was not super hard to push the potatoes through. Now for sweet potatoes, they do recommend that you slightly cook them in advance. The French fry taste that you will get when you make homemade fries is totally worth any of the hand operated part of this work, trust me. You're going to get fresh French fries, fresh sweet potato fries. No matter what you choose, going with a homemade fry is really worth the taste. We made a nice batch, and although this video is sped up, I will say that the French fries went really fast because having that fresh taste is just so worth the effort. And this machine will help you to do that without any problems. And that's my point of view.